Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Retroarch and making a backup of your config files. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once done, open Retroarch and navigate to Settings right arrow user interface to begin. Make sure you've enabled verbose logging if you want extra feedback. You'll now access the online updater for menu assets and cores. Download any themes or assets you plan to use. This gets you into the theme workflow quickly and safely, so proceed to theme selection next. You'll now fetch or install the theme. Use Online Updater right arrow menu assets to download built-in themes, or place a third-party theme folder into Assets/Menus on your Retroarch installation. Once placed, go to Settings right arrow user interface right arrow menu to switch the menu driver if required. Some themes need Argy versus Ozone. After selecting the theme folder name, restart Retroarch or reload the menu to apply changes. This is the complex middle step. Verify fonts and theme images load correctly. Finish by restarting Retroarch to ensure every asset initializes. This often fixes display quirks. You should inspect menus, icons, and font rendering. If items are missing, check that theme folder names match exactly and that Retroarch. CFG points to the correct assets path. If the UI becomes unstable, use your backup config to revert quickly and enable verbose logging to capture errors. One key tip: mismatched menu driver or case-sensitive file names are the most common causes of theme failures, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.